You better hurry your behind across the street. These New Yorkers don't play. They will hit you. What's up? It's your girl DJ Johnson back at it again with another video. It is raining this morning. I'm kind of like disappointed. Like, I was looking forward to the sunshine, but it's all goody. We still gonna have a good time today. I'm on my way to 30th Street Station in Philadelphia. I woke my brother up like unexpectedly. He's a good brother. He's taking me there because I didn't feel like catching an Uber. So yeah, I'm going to NYC. I'm going to meet my little cousin. She is my little cousin, but she ain't that much littler than me. Littler? Is that a word? I don't think so. All right, let's quit the small talk and let's just get right to it. Stay tuned. There she go, finally. All right, so I'm with TK, as you already know. Better at the Mega Bus. We had Dallas BBQs at 8th and 23rd with the sticky wings. Waiting on that Henny Colada. We heard it was popping. Hope it don't put us under, if you know what I mean. Let's get into it. I ain't gonna lie, I'm feeling real groovy right now.
Yeah, me too.
We're on our way to a special exhibit. We can't tell y'all right now because it'll just blow the surprise. So we're going to let y'all know when we get there. We crossing the street? Yeah, we're going to cross the street. We got 11 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6.
I'm taking my time.
You better hurry your behind across the street. These New Yorkers don't play. They will hit you.
Blame it on the goose. Got me feeling Blame it on the goose.
Alright, so if you haven't figured it out already by the advertisements that I just showed you, we are going to Candytopia! This is tighter than I thought it was going to be. Made out of candy, you all. This is dope. Like, you gotta come to New York. 32nd and 7th Street. You gotta come. Candytopia. It's lit. I lost a sock in the marshmallow pit. I'm disappointed. Look at my feet. No sock on the left foot. I'm Saudi. Your girl is Saudi. However, the experience was nothing like anything before, so I will give it that. Anyway, we need to hydrate, so that's what we're gonna do, get some water. Well, ladies and gents, this is where we come to an end. We got our water, we hydrated, because that's the adult thing to do. Stay hydrated. Make sure you like this video, comment, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, we'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.